Here's the easiest way to add subtitles or captions in Premiere Pro. First of all, click on this new item and here select Captions. Standard, select here, open Captions, and you can change your time base and your video width and height according to your projects or sequence and click on OK. Now just drag and drop these caption to your timeline and increase your caption length according to your video. And after that, click on this type caption box, double click on that, and here you will get caption box. So this is the first caption. Let's play our video. Let's add moving text first. So here I have to type, let's add moving text. So this is gonna be the first caption. And here we can see the text or caption is now showing, and it's time to customize these caption text, right? So under captions here, you can change your caption font size, and here you can also change your font font family. And I'm selecting here Arial for example, and you can also align your text here. And you can also change your text style. And now just zoom in your timeline, and as you can see my first talk starting from this position, so I have to adjust my first caption position. So here just I'm decreasing this caption length here, and let's play my video again. Let's add moving text. So in this part I have to end my first caption length. And then let's add another caption by clicking on add caption. And this is my second caption box. Before writing anything, I'm just playing my video. First of all, I'm selecting the text tool from this tool panel. And here let's add my second caption. And here my second caption duration will be 5 seconds. So here's some increasing my second caption length. Now let's play our video from start. Let's add moving text. First of all, I'm selecting the text tool from this tool panel, and here now to again add another caption, just click on this plus icon and write here your text and adjust your caption length. That's it.